Hey there guys, Chet here. When you first start your service business, one of the first things you'll need is a way to create professional quotes and invoices. You will likely come across a very popular app called Joist, which is famous for doing just that. But you will also see complete business management platforms like Jobber. This creates a really important question. Do you just need a simple app for your paperwork, or do you need a powerful platform to run your entire business? Great question. In this video, we're going to compare Jobber and Joist directly so that you can decide which tool is the right foundation for your business. And by the way, if you'd like to sign up for Jobber, make sure to use my link in the description to get access to a special limited time discount where you can save up to 30%. As you can see on the screen, anyone who signs up for the annual plan will get 15% off of their first year, and those who choose the monthly plan will receive 30% off of their first 3 months. I hope that you're not too late to grab this offer, but if you are, don't worry. I'm also giving away my custom Notion templates to help you stay organized from day one. These templates are valued at more than $900, but again, you get them completely free when you sign up through my link as a thank you for supporting the channel. And with that being said, let's dive in. First, let's look at the core purpose of each tool. Joist is a fantastic tool for one main reason. It helps you create beautiful, professional-looking estimates and invoices very quickly and very easily. It was originally designed to replace using a pen and paper or a simple Word document to create your quotes. For a contractor who just needs a better way to create their paperwork, Joist is a very simple and effective way to do that. But creating a quote is only one small part of running a real service job. This is where Jobber is a much more complete solution. Jobber is not just a quoting tool, it is a full operations platform. After your customer approves a quote inside Jobber, you can use Jobber to schedule the work, dispatch your team, track their time, communicate with the customer automatically, and get paid online all in one place. How wonderful. Joist helps you with the paperwork, while Jobber helps you run your entire business from start to finish. This brings us to the features that you need to actually grow your business. Because Joist is so focused on quoting and invoicing, it is missing many of the critical features that a service business needs to be efficient. Most importantly, it does not have a real scheduling or dispatching system. You cannot use it to easily see your team's availability on a calendar, assign jobs to different team members, or optimize your daily routes. You have to manage all of that work separately, which just creates more headaches for you. Jobber has all of these essential features built right into the platform. Its scheduling and dispatching tools are powerful and very easy to use. You can see your whole team's schedule at a glance and quickly find the best time to book a new job. Jobber also has powerful customer communication tools like automatic appointment reminders that help you reduce no-shows and provide a much better service. These are the kinds of features that help you run a truly professional and efficient operation. Now let's look at the price and what you get for your money. At first glance, Joist looks very cheap. They have a basics plan for $8 a month, a pro plan for $14 a month, and an elite plan for $32 per month. These prices are very low. Jobber's plans start at $28 a month for their core plan. Their most popular plan, Connect, is $84 a month, and their advanced Grow plan is $140 per month. While Jobber's price is higher, it is important to understand what you're paying for. With Joist, you're paying for a simple quoting and invoicing app. With Jobber, you're paying for a complete business management platform that includes quoting, scheduling, dispatching, a customer database, online payments reporting, and so much more. When you compare all the features you get, Jobber provides much more value for running your entire business. So which of the two should you choose? If you're a solo contractor and you only need a simple app to replace your paper invoices, Joist is a cheap and very easy solution. But for any service business that wants to be truly organized, efficient, and professional, I believe Jobber is the clear winner. It is a complete platform that handles your entire workflow, not just one small piece of it. And if you're ready to use Jobber, use that link in the description that I mentioned earlier to get that special discount, and you'll get my Notion templates worth more than $900 completely free. Just my way of saying thanks for watching and supporting the channel. All right, that is it for this comparison. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.